Hey everyone, today, super simple project. We have the felt tips on the bottom of our chairs for our hardwood floors and they suck. So we're going to try something different to see how it works out. So right now, just like the normal felt tips, you know, these little circles, and our chairs have the little, you can see it on this one, they already have the little built-in plastic thing. That will chew up your floor. So we tried these little well, that's exactly what it does right there. They just slide off, even if you try not to slide it off. You know, they're just a sticker, essentially. When they slide off, then they also leave, think of someone floor right now. Yep, they leave goo on the floor that we gotta clean up. So, we're gonna try these guys instead. Want to model it? Oh, model it. Oh, that is amazing. Oh, yeah. So basically, same thing. It has a felt, focus, has a felt on it, but it's built into it with a plastic surrounding, and then the nail. These plastic guys that are already on the chair, they have a nail as well, which I believe I have that over here. Oh, there goes those. Yeah, never mind. Anyways, the nail that is on the originals, it's a smaller nail. So all I'm going to do is use the original holes that are already there from the previous nails, and I'm just going to use the little drill bit just to get them a little bit bigger. That way you don't have to worry about splitting the chair or nothing. So taking these off, I just use pliers, needle nose pliers. You can use whatever pliers or anything. You basically just grab the plastic and then you're just going to pry up. And the biggest thing I can say here is don't come up with it and then keep cranking on it, because you're just going to damage the edge of your chairs. So when you get it this high, you can even just stick it underneath and just wiggle it up, and it comes right out. On ones they are unable to pry it up just because it's too tight, you know, you're sitting there cranking on it, it's not going. If you just grab it, and if you just turn it, it'll loosen it up, you can get it up higher and higher and higher. Once you get it up to a high enough point to where you have that gap between the plastic part and the actual wood, you got your good old handy dandy butter knife from your average kitchen. And you just slide it up in, and then you can just pry it up on that. That way you're not damaging your chair. Getting these holes ready. So some of them, on our chairs, I mean every chair is going to be different, and you may not even have something already on the bottom of your chair. This hole is already centered up on the actual post. Same thing with this one over here, and this one over here. They're all pretty well centered. This one in this corner, it is not centered. So I'm just going to drill a hole that's more centered to make this one center, because the pads that we're putting on are significantly bigger than the old ones. So we're going to have a little bit of overlap on all the corners anyways, but if it's centered, it'll be less noticeable and just look nicer, I guess you could say. Are these things even going to work better? I have no idea, but that's what we're here to find out. With the ones that are currently centered, I'm just going to go in the same hole, just make it a little bit bigger. Alright, our first test run with the drill bit that I used, so you all get to experience my pain with me. My plan is to just kind of get in the hole, get it going, and then just hammer down. Nice and, I don't know, soft, consistent, and hopefully it doesn't shatter to pieces. Gee golly wonkers, look at that. After a little bit of drilling and just hammering them on, you see they're all on all the different sets. This one's already on the ground, ready to roll. Maylee, you want to give her a test?
No.
Of course you do.
What am I doing?
You're sitting on it. Oh, look at that slidage. It didn't even,
See that?
there's nothing coming off of it. Oh my goodness.
It glides so well. Beautiful job.
And I feel like it adds a slight cushion.
Yeah, definitely.
So I had to point out why we decided to try these guys instead of the many other brands that are out there. I mean, you just have to take a look at this marketing. So, the original Magic sliders. It's like a toupee for your furniture's legs. Isn't it to pay like a wig?
Yeah.
Why the heck would you want a wig on your dang furniture? Anyway, these durable glides have a tuft of carpet on one side and a precision-made nail on the other. Once attached, your furniture glides and slides to protect what's underneath. Think of it as floorland security. Alright, furniture felt pads. That one was pretty tough. So the ones that we use are these Magic sliders. I can't read backwards. Magic sliders over 300 million sold. Okay, cool. We got these at Target, I think is where we found them. I can leave comments or in the description later on as far as how well they hold up and if they're worth the effort. Super easy to install, you know, a little bit of drilling and just hammering them in. You know, probably took me a total of, I don't know, 20 minutes to do the entire table. So we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it's better than those little sticky things, because those things don't like to stick. They stick to the floor pretty well, but not to the actual chairs that we had them on. So that's it. As far as what you need is those. They come in packs of 8. Is how big they come in. So we had 2 packs to fill the 4 chairs that we were using. And a hammer, drill. I believe that was it. A little bit of time, a little bit of fun with the spouse or something, you know, life's good. So again, thanks for watching. You know, like, subscribe. Makes me feel appreciated just for the little tidbits of info and little projects. Have a good one.